He recently teamed up with Shaggy for the song Banana. Let's meet Conqueror in our Up Next segment.
Up Next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine.
Banana. Me a the girl them banana farmer. Do all of them a request me banana. Daylight come and them no want go home. Give them it one time, two time, them want more.
Conqueror, you are here in Jamaica promoting your latest single, Banana. Collaboration featuring Shaggy. How did that collab come about?
Yeah, man, well, it's through Cherry Tree Music and S-Curve Records. I sent them the demo, and Shaggy got to listen to it and say, you know, this is a really good track, and said, you know, we should do a collaboration, and yeah, the rest is history. It's a great experience, and it's an honor to be working with him, as I used to listen to him back in the day when I was in high school and university. You know, I never thought I'd have a song with him one day, so I'm really happy about that. So I shot my part of the video in Australia, and he did his part in New York. But I just know that he likes the song, and people seem to like it so far too, so I guess.
Daylight come and them no want go home. Me have a Latina girl, she named Cassandra. She tell me say she comes straight from Colombia. So amiga recommend no my banana.
You know, I've always loved music, but I didn't start music until 2011. I always thought I could sing, but it wasn't until I went to university. I was on a soccer scholarship, and I got injured. So I had to change to an academic, and I was walking past the choir room one day and heard people singing, and decided to audition. I'd never sang for anybody, and the guy put me in front of the piano and played some things, and I was like singing along with it, and he's like, all right, you're in. And since then, like, my music and it just become more of a passion for me ever since then. I just kept growing, you know.
Where in Jamaica are you from originally?
Kingston, right here, Mona Heights. Yeah.
And where you went to school?
First Mona Prep, and then St. George's College. And then went to CIC, which is a boarding school in Canada, and then West Virginia, which is where I started the choir thing, University of Charleston. You know, my father said, yo, once you get your degree, you can do whatever you want to do. So get the degree in broadcasting.
Girls from near and far request me banana. Me a the girl them banana farmer. The whole of them a request me banana. Daylight come and them no want go home. Give them it one time.
You know, everybody is complaining about the fact that nobody uses, as artists saying that nobody buying CDs no more, whatever. But I think it makes it a level playground for all musicians, and the really talented ones will get the exposure. You have to do a good live performance. You have to do it in a way that's exceptional to make people want to see you more. And it just makes a level playing field for everybody. I mean, I've always loved like video, TV stuff, anything to do with radio or whatever. Media. My mom does her own magazine. So something in that kind of niche there or whatever. So I'm happy that I got a degree in broadcasting, you know, and learned a lot from that.
Me say wait, me say wait, me say wait. Grab me banana and tell me it's sweet. Them say we, them say we, them say we. C'est la vie. Girls from near and far request me banana.
As I said, I just did a tour, New Zealand, Australia, Vanuatu, New Caledonia. Been over to Indonesia, Philippines. So, I mean, Jamaica is always home for me, but I'm always traveling. You know, a lot of people say that, you know, why do I do so many covers? And the thing is that covers are things that people are looking for nowadays, and for reggae covers especially, I find that there's like a niche market for it, and it's a way for me to introduce people to reggae music and then also to my original songs. So if they watch the video, for example, halfway through, they will see a link to one of my original songs after that, and you see that you kind of see the viewership grow as I release a song, and then the video that I link to it would also grow. And then you see the socials and everything climb. So it's just a way to introduce people to my music, and it's been working wonders so far. No matter all the negative things that happen, all the obstacles in your way or whatever like that, like, it doesn't really matter to me, because at the end of the day, I just love doing music. So I've enjoyed the journey. I've really enjoyed the journey, the ups and the downs and the lessons I've learned or whatever, and it has built my character in a way, you know what I mean? So I'm very grateful for that.
Hello. How are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you will.
Up Next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine.
If you're just joining us, we're in Stony Hill Square. Congo Bongo Empress by Jadon is this week's music video premiere.
Yes, where you want be for you. I'm so proud to call you my empress. And if all your plans be real, no time at all, I wouldn't second guess. I never want you to know, but I have to confess, And you are the girl for me. Congo, Bongo Empress. And you are me African queen. Congo, Bongo Empress. And you me seen I'm a dream. Congo, Bongo Empress. And now you make me sing. Congo, Bongo Empress. She's sophisticated. She well intelligent. And when me give her me money fi go a market, no ask if be well spent. Ambition high, down to the earth, me not lie. But Empress a thing sky high, spread out your wings and fly. Congo, Bongo Empress, are you are me African queen. Congo, Bongo Empress, are you me seen I'm a dream. Congo, Bongo Empress, and now you make me sing. Congo, Bongo Empress. We are come from far. Yesterday me a look on the skies. Them say we wouldn't reach as far.
The Doctor turns 46. More after the break.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some a gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cock, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
We no hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take
charge.
Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge.